I have been anxiously awaiting for this package to arrive in the mail for a year and a half. It's a new watercolor box to replace, this is a little travel one that I have. It's okay, these are supposed to be magnetic, but they get stuck once you paint with them. It's tiny. This is the one I use usually when I'm sitting on the couch and painting, and then taking it out. Side, it's got a little handle, like a thumb handle, which I don't really use, but it's made out of really crappy metal. I think it's steel because it's magnetic, but it's like really prone to dents, and when you open it, it doesn't lie flat. It like the hinges are really crappy. They're barely even hinges. This is a similar one. Most brands, tons of brands use this exact same box. This is from Kremer. It's a local New York City pigment company. They make some watercolors. This is what I use in the studio. I also use these. I just mix one color at a time when I'm doing larger areas. This is an older one. Tons of crazy. This started with a lot of Russian. I forget what brand it is. Some of you may know what that is. But it's a Russian company, and it was okay. I mean, it's really old. It comes with an extra palette that you can kind of put on the side. And this is really crappy, really cheap plastic, but it's got a lot of good mixing spots. So I use this sometimes too. However, this is what I'm most excited to get to. I ordered it. It's an 11-month order. It's a custom watercolor box. You tell them how you want it, and then they make it for you. And it's made out of brass, and then he paints it himself with enamel. It's just one guy in England who makes it. Thanks. This is the guy who makes it. Signed it. He's super nice. So he sent it to me, and it got lost in the mail. Once it made it here to America, it got lost with the New York Postal Service system. And I ordered, oh my God, look at that. It's so beautiful. You can see the difference. Like how much, look at the difference between the two. This is crappy piece of wire. This is like a real piece of metal. I guess he numbers them. It's from the Little Brass Box Company. Oh my gosh. So nice. These are all mixing palettes. And this is the tray that I'm gonna, this is metal too, that I'm gonna put my paint in. And I think I'll use this for traveling and my studio. That was kind of the reason I ordered it. So nice. Really heavy, and it's brass too. It's not super thin steel, it's thick. And I'm gonna fill it. I have specific colors that I use that I'm gonna take out. I'm gonna fill it up. These are my reds, and these are my blues and greens.